we're going to be finding the volume of pyramids. The formula for the volume of a pyramid should look familiar. Volume is equal to 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. Now that's very similar to the cone, right? Or it's exactly the same as the cone. We did give you specifics on the base for the cone because it has to be a circle. With a pyramid, though, it can be any polygon. That's why we just have to use capital B, the area of the base. Let's go ahead and try a couple of problems. Here we go. We have a square pyramid. So volume we know is equal to 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. So 1/3 times my base is a square. So the area of the base is going to be 10 by 10 or 100 if you want to do that. The height there is going to be 18. So volume equals 1/3 of 18, that's 6. 6 times 100, that's 600 cubic centimeters. That one's pretty straightforward. Let's try another one. Here we have a hexagonal pyramid. Hexagonal. So just like with our surface area, we're going to have to really think about that base. So let's start with what we know. Volume equals 1/3 area of the base times the height. So we have 1/3, the area of my base. We have to think about that hexagon. We got to think about that right triangle, or I'm sorry, that equilateral triangle in there. So I know it says the side length measures 8 feet. So I know this is 8, which means when I break it in half, this little piece is going to be 4. My apothem is going to be 4 radical 3. Okay, so my base is a regular polygon. That's 1/2 times the number of sides is 6. My apothem is 4 radical 3. And my side length is 8. Okay, so notice my area of my base is all of this. Times the height of my pyramid is 15. Okay, so the height of my pyramid then is that 15 right there. Okay, so we really just need to clean this up here. Volume equals, so 1/3 times 1/2, that's 1/6. 1/6 times 6 is going to give us a unit of 1. That's nice. Times, I have 4 radical 3 times 8. That's 32 radical 3. 32 radical 3. And I still have a times 15 back here. So 1/6 times 6 we said is 1. So really I need to do 32 times 15. That gives me 480 radical 3. What are we in here? Feet. So we have cubic feet. You can also multiply that out times the radical 3, the 480 times radical 3. And you're going to have 831.4 cubic feet.